Hello, I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're here to unbox the iBetter case for the Xiaomi Mi A3. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You'll be notified of all the latest notifications when we unbox new products, when we review them, or when we publish our travel vlogs. Right, let's have a look at the iBetter case for the Xiaomi A3. Decided to get it because the case that's included with the Xiaomi A3 was lovely and transparent and rubbery and jelly, and showing off the back of the device. I'm not too happy with the lip at the bottom that stops stuff getting in the Type-C port. It makes it difficult to charge when you need to quick charge the device. And it's starting to go a bit yellow. I know it's only 2 weeks since I got it, or maybe 3 weeks, but it's time to get a new case. So this is the iBetter case for the Xiaomi Mi A3. The packaging is very simple. It's a plastic bag with the case itself. It opens up quite simply. And on the inside you have the case and a bit of styrofoam to keep it in shape, so that it doesn't deform during travel. So that's the case. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. There we go. So it fits quite tightly. That's good. It has a little window to show you the Xiaomi logo, as you would want to, and a little glimpse of the blue. There's still blue visible around the camera module. The other interesting thing is that it has enough of a lip to avoid the camera bump being scratched, which is always good. And on the other side, there's enough of a lip at the top and the bottom of the case that you won't have the screen scratched if you put it down flat on a plain surface. So that's good. So great, there's space for the Courage port, or the 3.5mm audio jack. There's space for the extra microphone and infrared blaster, so that hasn't been left out. And at the bottom you can see there's cutouts for the speakers and the USB Type-C port. So I think this does the job. Fits nicely, keeps the device protected. On the side you'll see there's some finishing, space for a loop, if you're one of those people who wants to have a loop to hold it around your wrist. The cutouts for the volume rocker and power button are pretty good, and leave some space for airing, which is good. So yeah, I'm happy with this. The case looks good. It should do its job. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the case for the Xiaomi Mi A3. That's the iBetter case for the Xiaomi Mi A3. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching, everyone.